cracking with this shit. Capo, shit. Fucking Capo. Shit. Oh yeah, May sick. The original status. That's my niggas, you know what I mean? MG Capo, May sick. Oh, May sick in the building. May sick is always in the building. You know what I mean? It's the back of the shirt. It's the May sick edition. Shouts out to Cuzlo. My nigga Slim Loke 1. Y'all call him C-Lim. You know what I mean? Alright, it's my May sick niggas up over here. You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright. In the building. Y'all could purchase all these shirts. Everything. Man. MG Capo.